Hello, my name is Heather Stiles, and I'm here today to talk to you about mobile learning, more specifically, bring your own device. So, what is mobile learning? Technology has changed every aspect of everyday life, so it's not surprising that education has also been impacted. So, with mobile learning, we're using technology and the internet to facilitate learning. There's lots of benefits with mobile learning, with flexibility as the forefront. Education can happen anytime, anywhere using different systems. It also demonstrates personal learning, so users can work at their own pace and can be tailored towards different lifestyles. It is really better suited for today's learners. These guys are digital natives that rely on technology for all facets of their life. So it encourages micro learning, making learning easier, quicker, and better retention. Lessons can be more engaging and fun, and all of this comes down to better education for today's generation. So bring your own device, or BYOD, is where students are encouraged to bring their own mobile devices. As this quote from NMC Horizon Report summarizes, the impact of BYOD can have um, they empower learners by providing them pathways to solve problems, access resources, and create their own workflow pattern. It creates a classroom culture that gives students the opportunity to connect their learning in the classroom with their personal lives. Statistics show that students want to have a BYOD policy because 94% of students say they want to use their own cell phone, and 75% say they help them learn. Over 89% of households have some kind of personal technology, so why not capitalize on things that are already there? The benefits of BYOD, the most important is the reduced costs. Students provide their own technology and are responsible for maintenance, and they respect these devices more with less incidences to occur. Uh, they also feel a lot more comfortable using their own technology, which means less time taken for teaching their systems. And they can take their own technology wherever they go, many times using very easy to port technology. There are challenges that do exist. One of the main ones is money. A lot of low income families cannot afford their own technology, but schools can easily provide that technology for them. Another thing is that parents may not want their students to bring their technology to school, particularly with the younger grades. However, we can also provide technology for those situations. One concern is that not all systems work the same, nor the same software is used. So with this case, it has been less of an issue because applications are cross-marketed and web-based. And lastly, a lot of people are concerned that they're going to have issues with their technology, which makes them useless in the classroom, but we can have backup computers on hand for those uses. So with some final starts here, mobile technology is here to stay, and schools need to adjust their way of teaching to meet the new needs of our today's students. BYOD is more realistic way of using this technology in the classroom because students can use their own devices they are familiar with, reducing costs and making it easier for school districts to manage. Yes, there are some disadvantages. However, BYOD is the best option for school districts to provide students with the technology needed to learn. So thank you for your time, and here's some resources if you're interested.